let's remove this panel. I'm going to use a trim tool, take these clips out. Okay, take this panel off. Take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. And there's 4 of these twist retainers. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist it about 1/4 of a turn. And there's another one down here underneath. And 2 over here as well. And just grab the trim over on the side. You're just going to pull it forward. Just like that. It's clipped in right there on the sides. Do the same for the other side. And it just slides right off. Right, we need to disconnect these cooler lines from the cooler. Now these are pretty rusted, but just take a straight blade screwdriver, try to get this cover off. Just be careful. Pry this down. And there's a clip in here. You can use a pick. It's clipped in right here. Try to get underneath the pick, underneath the clip. Now normally you want to save this and reuse it, but in our case we're going to replace the cooler, so it doesn't matter. Take that clip off and then just take the line, wiggle the line back and forth. This one's pretty rusty and you're going to pull it straight down. And then you'll do the same with the other side. Now if your lines are this bad, you're going to need to replace the lines as well. We're just going to have to cut these. Now there's 2 push pins on both sides of the cooler. Just use a trim tool, take those push pins out. And take a 10mm socket, take these 2 bolts out. And slide the cooler out. Some of the factory brackets might not line up quite right. You may have to ream this hole out a little bit or use a stepper bit. Just make it a little bit bigger, make the hole a little bigger. Just like that. Now this is an updated design. It's a little bit different. There's some slots on the bottom of this cooler. Those slots are going to line up with those holes. Take those old bolts that were mounted up there. You can use those down here. And tighten those down. Snug them up. Now take this little cover off here, if you have one of those, and slide this in place. And lock it in, make sure it locks in all the way. If you had to reinstall that retainer there. And then put the cover on. Take that plug off, get this lined up. Lock it in place. Put the retainer over there, cover. All right, take the grille and line it up. Get this lined up on the side. And just twist these. There's 4 of them. And take this bolt. Get that started. And tighten it down. And put this cover back on. And take all the push pins, put all the push pins back in. After you're done, you're going to want to check the transmission fluid level. Start the vehicle, let it run, pull this dipstick out, wipe it off. And there's 2 areas right here. This is the hash marks where the fluid level should be when it's hot, and when it's cold, it should be down here. You can top off the fluid with the appropriate fluid, get that information from your owner's manual, and adjust accordingly.